Hello student, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chandra Joshi from HMJSP Inter College, Mathematics teacher. Today we will read chapter 2, fraction and decimal. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. You are saying this is one chapati and I am doing the part of this chapati, four parts. Out of four parts, we have one part is shaded, so this part will the one fourth, the fraction. Suppose out of total three parts are there, and out of three parts, one part is taken. So 1/3. These are proper fraction. Proper fraction is a part of whole. This is one thing, and a part. This is part. You can take more part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 upon 8. This is 2 upon 8. These all are proper fraction. Proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. And what is improper fraction? This is proper fraction. Proper fraction is a part of whole, and improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Suppose 4 upon 4. Out of four parts are all four parts are taken. Plus 3 part are taken. 3 upon 4, that is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4. This is improper fraction. A improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. So 7 upon 4 is improper fraction. When we write improper fraction we can write improper fraction in a mixed fraction. How? We can divide 7 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 3 remainder. 1 whole 4, 3 upon 4. 1 whole 3 upon 4. This is mixed fraction. You are familiar with proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now we will read about equivalent fraction. Equivalent. We are seeing this is out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded, so 2 upon 4. Now another is 6 part. Out of 6 part, 3 parts shaded. That is 3 upon 6. Out of 8 part, 4 part are shaded. And you are seeing that, and so on. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One, two, three, four, 5. We can make equivalent part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 10 parts, 5 parts are shaded. 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. You are seeing that all are half chapati, half chapati. This is also half chapati, this is also half chapati, this is also half chapati. And you are seeing that out of 4 parts, 2 parts are taken, so 2 upon 4. And out of 6 parts, 3 parts are taken, out of 8 parts, 4 parts are taken, and out of 10 parts, 5 parts are taken. These all are equivalent fractions. If we will make these parts into simplest form, then we will get 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 1 upon 2. This is also 1 upon 2, this is also 1 upon 2, this is also 1 upon 2. And how we can find equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction we can find by multiplying numerator and denominator by same number. You can see 2 upon 4. If you will multiply by 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 by 3, you will get 3 upon 6. You are seeing, and 1 upon 2, you will multiply by 4. You will get 4 upon 8, and if you will multiply by 5 upon 10, we can get equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. We will solve exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is 2 minus 3 upon 5. What you will do, you will make denominator same, then you can subtract. You can make equivalent fraction of having denominator 5. You can make 2 multiplied by 5 upon 1 multiplied by 5, that minus 3 upon 5, that is 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. You can take 5 as a LCM, and 10 minus 3, that is 7 upon 5. Question number 1, part 1. Second part you will see 4 plus 7 upon 8. 4 plus 7 upon 8. You can directly write 4 whole 7 upon 8, and if you want to solve, then you can make the denominator, equivalent denominator, having denominator 8. You will multiply by 8 plus 7 upon 8, denominator 4 8 is 32 plus upon 8 plus 7 upon 8, that is 79 upon 8. Now you will change this improper fraction into proper fraction. How you will change? You will divide by 8, 79, 8 4 32, 7 4 whole 7 upon 8. You can write this question 4 whole 7 upon 8 directly also. You will get by solving 4 whole 7 upon 8. Now part 3. We will solve part 3. Part 3 you are seeing 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now you will make denominator 35, having 35, 5 7 is 35 plus 7 5 is 35. You will multiply by, here you will multiply 7 numerator and denominator. This will make equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. You will make equivalent fraction of 7 upon 5 by multiplying 5 and 5 numerator and denominator. Now 3 multiplied by 7, you will get 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. You will get 31, 35 as LCM, and 21 plus 10, that is 31 upon 35. Now we will solve question number 4. Now question 1 part 4. This is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. You will take LCM of 11 and 15. These are co-prime. So you will LCM will be multiplication of 15 and 11. That is 165. 15 1 ja 15, 15 1 ja 15 plus 1 plus 5 plus 116. 165 is the LCM. Now you can change numerator, denominator with equivalent fraction. You will change the denominator 165 minus 4 into 11 upon 15 multiplied by 11. Now 15 9 is 135 upon 165 minus 44 upon 165. 165 LCM, and now 135 minus 44. We will subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1. 3 minus 4, 13 minus 4, 9. 165. This is the answer. We will do question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. First, second, first part 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21. Now you will LCM of 3, 9 and 21. 3, 9 and 21. 3, 9, 21. You will find LCM. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21. 1, 1, 7, 7. Now LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 9 7 ja 63 will be LCM. Now we will change all the fraction of equivalent fraction having denominator 63. 2 upon 7, 9. We can write 2 upon 9, 7. We can multiply by numerator and denominator by 7. 14 upon 63. And we can write 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 multiply by 21. So we will multiply by 21. Numerator and denominator. This is 42 upon 63. 8 upon 21. We will multiply numerator and denominator by 3 to get denominator 63. Seeing 24. Now you are seeing that 42 is greater than 24 and 24 is greater than 14. So 42 we will write in descending order. First we will write greater number 63. After that 24 upon 63. After that 14 upon 63. Now we can write original number 42 upon 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is 24. This is 8 upon 21. And this is 2 upon 9. We can write this by descending order. Second part you will do by your own. As that 2 upon 3 is greater than 8 upon 21 is greater than 2 upon 9. Now question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of numbers in each row in each column along the diagonal is same. Is this a magic square? In a magic square, the sum of rows R1, this is R1, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, these are row, these are column. This is C1, C2, C2, this is C3, and these are diagonals. This is D1 and this will be D2, D1 and D2. If the sum of rows and column and diagonal will be same, then this will be magic square. You have to tell this is magic square or not. You will first do sum of R1, 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. 9, 4, 13 plus 2, that is 15 upon 11. And you are saying 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 and plus 7 upon 11. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 upon 11. And you are saying 8 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. 8, 6, 14 plus 1, 15 upon 11. We are getting the sum of rows is equal 15 upon 11. And now you will check whether the columns sum is same or not. 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 and plus 8 upon 11. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15 upon 11. And now C2, 9 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15 upon 11. And now C3, 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 upon 11. Now you will see the sum of diagonals. 4 upon 11, 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15 upon 11. And now another diagonal, 2 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 upon 11. Now you are seeing the sum of the rows and columns and diagonals is same 15 upon 11. Hence it is a magic square. Number 5. A rectangular sheet of a paper is 12 hole 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 hole 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Perimeter equal to question number 4. Length is given. Length is 12 hole 1 upon 2 centimeter. Breadth is given 10 hole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Now perimeter equal to 2 in length plus breadth. You are seeing this is rectangular sheet, and in rectangular sheet opposite sides are equal. So this will 12 hole 1 upon 2. This will also 12 hole 1 upon 2, and this is 10 whole 2 upon 3. This is 10 whole 2 upon 3. So length and breadth, length coming two times and breadth is coming 2 times. So we will multiply length plus breadth multiply by 2 times. This will be parameter of the rectangular sheet. Now rectangular paper. So 2 length is 12 whole 1 upon 2 plus 10 whole 2 upon 3. Now we will see 2. You will change into improper fraction. You will multiply by 12 2 multiplied by 12 plus 1. 2 multiplied by 12 20, 24 plus 1 25. 25 upon 2 plus you will multiply 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2. 3 multiplied by 10 30. 30 plus 2 32 upon 3. Now you will change as equivalent fraction. 2 LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now you will change 25 upon 2 in equivalent fraction having denominator 6. You will multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. This 32 upon 3 you will change the denominator of equivalent fraction of having 6 denominator. You will multiply by 2. You will multiply by 2 both sides. Now 2 75. 25 3 is 75 upon 6 plus 64 upon 6. Now 2. Now 6. 4 plus 5 9. 39. And now multiply. You can cancel 6 139 upon 3. Now you can change this into mixed fraction. 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12. 1. Now 46 4 1 upon 3 centimeter will be the parameter of the rectangular sheet. Now question number 5. Find the parameter of first triangle ABE and second the rectangle BCDE. BCDE, this is rectangle. You have to find first part rectangle BCDE in this figure whose parameter is greater. किसका parameter ज़्यादा है? You will see that parameter of AB, parameter of triangle ABE equal to AB plus BC, BE plus AE. AB plus BE plus AE. This plus this plus this will be parameter of this triangle. And AB, the value of AB is 5 upon 2 and BE is 2 whole 3 upon 4 and AE, the value of AE is 3 whole 3 upon 5. Now you will change into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 plus 3 5s are 15 16 17 18 upon 5. Now LCM of 2 4 and 5. You will find LCM of 2 4 and 5. Now 5 LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, that is 4 5 is 20. Now you will change all these fraction having denominator 20. 5 upon 2 you will multiply by 10 or getting 20 and 11 multiply by will multiply by 5 and you will multiply by 4. Now 50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 72, 84 72 upon 20. Now LCM is 20. Now 50 plus 55 plus 72. You will get 5 plus 2, 7 or 5, 7, 5, 5, 10 plus 7, 17 upon 20. Now this is the parameter of, and you can change it to mixed fraction also. 4, 24 ja, you can change mixed fraction. 24 ja 100, 28 ja 160, 7, 1, 17, 8 whole 17 upon 20. This is, and now the parameter of the rectangle. Parameter of the rectangle BCDE. Now you will find parameter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length is this and breadth is this. So 2, length is 2 whole 3 upon 4 and breadth is 7 upon 6. First of all, you will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So you will change this fraction, these two fractions having denominator 12. You have to multiply 3 numerator and denominator, and in this fraction you will multiply by 2 numerator and denominator. So 2, 11, 3 ja 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12. That is 47 upon 12 into 2. 2, 6 ja 12. Now 47 upon 6. Now if you will change into 47 6 whole 7 whole 5 upon 6. Now previous was 8 whole. The parameter of rectangle was 8 whole 8 whole 8 whole something, and now the parameter of triangle is greater than parameter of rectangle. Parameter of triangle is greater than the parameter of rectangle. Now question number 6. Salil wants to put picture in a frame. The picture is 7 whole 3.5 meter wide, and to fit the frame in the picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3/10 wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? कितनी पिक्चर ट्रिम करनी चाहिए, काटनी चाहिए? तो आप इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. You will do this question by your own. You will subtract this from this, this from this. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.